Nasdaq presses SEC for four-tier crypto rulebook, demands regulatory clarity. Nasdaq, SEC. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author, Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated, April 25, 2025 at 23:59 GMT+3. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The American Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, has urged the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to develop a clear and consistent classification framework for crypto assets, emphasizing the need for regulatory clarity as digital assets continue to develop. In a 23-page letter addressed to the SEC's cryptocurrency task force, Nasdaq called for a structured taxonomy to help define which agency should regulate specific types of crypto assets. Nasdaq pushes for four-tier crypto classification in letter to SEC. The exchange operator proposed categorizing digital assets into 4 distinct categories: financial securities, digital asset investment contracts, digital asset commodities, and other digital assets that fall outside existing definitions. Nasdaq asserted that this framework would help delineate regulatory authority between the SEC and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, depending on the nature of the asset. While a stock by any other word would still be a stock, the existing market ecosystem can readily absorb digital assets by establishing the proper taxonomy and calibrating certain rules to reflect what is truly new and novel about digital assets, the letter stated. According to Nasdaq, digital assets that qualify as financial securities, such as tokens tied to stocks, bonds, or ETFs, should be treated the same as their underlying assets and regulated by the SEC. Investment contracts that meet the criteria under a clarified version of the Howey test would also fall under the SEC's jurisdiction. However, commodities would be regulated by the CFTC, while digital assets that don't fit these classifications would be exempt from securities or commodities rules. The letter, signed by John Zecca, Nasdaq's chief regulatory officer, emphasized the importance of respecting the existing financial system while adapting it to accommodate digital assets. Digital assets that constitute financial securities must trade as they do today, Zecca wrote. Nasdaq also suggested that regulators create a new crossover designation for trading platforms that handle multiple types of digital assets under a single roof. The company noted that its global infrastructure already supports digital asset platforms across 6 continents, including trading, surveillance, and clearing services. Additionally, Nasdaq advised that regulators consider enhanced oversight or constraints for vertically integrated crypto firms that manage all aspects of investor activity, from issuance to trading and custody. The letter was submitted in response to SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce's call for industry input on future crypto regulation. SEC indicates shift toward clearer crypto rules under new leadership. As Nasdaq calls for well-defined crypto asset classifications, momentum is building in Washington for a broader regulatory reset. SEC Commissioner Mark Uyeda recently outlined a shift from the agency's prior enforcement-first approach, intending to take a more open and collaborative regulatory tone under the Trump administration. In a CNBC interview during the World Bank and IMF spring meetings, Uyeda revealed that the SEC has launched a new crypto task force focused on crafting clear, cost-effective rules for digital assets, an effort he says seeks to reverse the chilling effect past enforcement actions have had on innovation. Uyeda acknowledged that years of aggressive legal actions pushed many crypto firms offshore. The agency is now engaging with the White House and Treasury through joint task forces on crypto and AI, and hosting public roundtables to gather industry feedback. The first session addressed the core question of how to apply the Howey test to digital assets, a decades-old standard still fueling legal uncertainty. Meanwhile, newly sworn-in SEC Chairman Paul Atkins affirmed his intent to make digital asset regulation a top priority, pledging a principled approach to ensure the U.S. remains a global hub for crypto innovation. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar expert makes bold claim. XRP's future price is already locked in. Sway reveals virtual MasterCard with X Money and X Portal. Announces physical card trillion-dollar giant Fidelity triggers Bitcoin price prediction surge, $200,000 incoming. Bitcoin news. Serbia's Prince Philip predicts Bitcoin Omega candle. Expects BTC price explosion, above $100,000. 12 hours ago. By Amin Ayan. Bitcoin news. Bitcoin and Ethereum options expiry hits $8.05 billion. Brace for market whiplash? 8 hours ago. By Hassan Shittu. Blockchain news. ARK Invest sees Bitcoin hitting $1.5 million by 2030 on rising institutional demand. 21 hours ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025. Top crypto to invest in. April 15, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. New cryptocurrency to invest in April 2025. April 18, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025. Upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keeley-Cuddy. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. April 13, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 14 next cryptocurrencies to explode in 2025. Next big crypto. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.